In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a return policy on Shopify. Having a clear return and refund policy is really important for building trust with your customers. It sets expectations, reduces confusion, and can even cut down on support messages. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through Shopify's built-in tools so you can create, customize, and publish your own policy right inside your store settings. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main admin page, look toward the lower left-hand corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where all the behind-the-scenes configuration for your store lives. Inside the settings area, look at the left sidebar and find the option labeled Policies, then click on it. This is the central place where Shopify lets you manage things like your terms of service, privacy policy, shipping, and of course, your return and refund policy. On the Policies page, locate the section for your return and refund policy and click on it. A pop-up window will appear where you can add or edit the text for this policy. If you don't already have a policy written, Shopify makes things easier by providing a starting template. To use it, go to the top right of the pop-up and click Insert Template. Shopify will automatically generate a basic return and refund policy that you can then customize for your business. Once the template has been inserted, take your time reading through it from top to bottom. You'll see areas where you should add or adjust information, such as your contact email and your return address. Make sure these reflect the actual contact details and location you use for handling returns. You'll also notice different sections in the template, like damage and issues, exceptions or non-returnable items, exchanges, European Union cooling off periods, and refunds. Go through each one carefully and decide what applies to your store. You can remove any sections that don't make sense for your products or rewrite them so they match your policies. This is also the perfect place to define important details such as how many days customers have to return an item, what condition items must be in, and who pays for shipping fees on returns. When you're happy with the content and everything looks accurate, scroll down to the bottom right of the pop-up and click Save or Publish. Shopify will store this policy and automatically display it in the appropriate areas of your store, such as checkout or your policy pages, depending on your theme. And that's all it takes to add a return policy on Shopify.